we're back over here at Standard Spring. That might be the van I'm working on, I'm not sure. He said make keys to a 084 Escape also, which I don't know. What's that over there? Maybe it. Oh yeah, because he's showing it maybe. Lots of keys.
Okay.
Yep. This is it. She gonna start? I can make a key to it, but I'm not guaranteeing nothing. There's no way. No freaking way. No. No. That looks like it's been rained on inside there. That's what it looks like. Oh, you're supposed to hook power up to it. Where's the battery? It's supposed to be. There's nowhere to hook power up to it. There's no way to hook power to it. I'm just going to make him a key so he can turn the wheel. That's probably what he wants. He wants to steer it. You just need something to steer it.
No, it needs a fuck. I can't find a fucking key. I think that these idiots left it in there and fucking got it. But
Well, how do you want me to make a key?
For now, it's steering. Huh?
Well, what do you want me to do?
Make you a fucking key, no?
How?
Well, you need to program it.
Well, yeah.
Well, anyway, to steer for now.
I'll get you one to steer it.
Yeah, I'm going to throw a motor in.
Okay, all right.
And then I'll go from there.
Oh, yeah.
That makes sense?
Oh, it makes sense to me.
That didn't sound like it. Oh, you want me to cut a key?
Well,
but holy fuck, I don't know. I don't know your job. Yeah,
I don't-
to steer it right now.
It's just to steer it, yeah. Right on.
Just discovered this morning, you know, fucking key. It's like,
Discovery. Yeah. All right. Dancing, yeah. We'll be dancing, yeah. Okay, lady, get going. Mark's got one's in there. Okay, well. Let's shut this one here. Put some glasses. I need Leashy tool here. Alright. And something to write on. I brought my pencil. Give me something to write on. Imagine having to work at a mission place, taking care of homeless people. stay at your place there. Start treating you like that. So, let's see what we got here. Cause we're dancing, yeah. That's gonna go that way. Let's go this way. If I go that way, if I go this way, then maybe I can get this to sit here and be able to see something. Maybe you'll see something. A hairy leg or something. Eight, 6, 8, 6, 4, 2. I don't think there's anything in 2. This one's pretty bouncy. That one kind of stuck. That one kind of seems kind of stuck there. There we go. Feels a little better. Turned a tiny bit. 5. See if we can get on top of that. How about 1? Nothing on 1. I want to see if the 1's on this side. No. 4. No. 6, 8. 7. 4, yep. So I'm going to start here and go back. 6 is different, 8's the same, 6, 4. That sticks about, that stops about there. I got 1, 3, 5, 7. Hopefully that's in all the way. So 8 just acting different now. 8, 6, 4, back to 8, 7. There we go. She turned. Beautiful. She turned. All right. I'm gonna pull this out. Maybe. Flip it around. Flip it, flip it. What do we want here? 1, 2, 6, 7. 2 is showing a 5. I don't know why. There's nothing in there, I don't think. Should be nothing there. 3. So 1. So 4 is a 4. 3 is a 4. 5 will be 2. A 2. 6 is a 3. 7 is a 4. And number 8 is a 2. A 2. A 2. Now I don't know why this 2 is showing up as a 5. I don't know. I think there should be a 1 in there, no? This thing in all the way? Hopefully. Let's go cut a key. Cut the key. Work boots and shorts. It's hot out. I was thinking maybe I should dress up for the occasion, so you know what, I'm in other people's junkyards most of the time, so why bother? Why even bother? Maybe the key's not going in all the way because of something stuck in there. I don't know. I have never yet. But it looked like it was reading all the wafers. It looked that way anyway. Ford H75. We're here for a good time, not a long time. So have a good time. The sun can't shine every day. something now. Ford. What is that? I don't really care what it is. Escape. 09. Close enough. No key code. Okay, so I got 114. It might not take the 114. 114. Next cut's got to be at least a 2. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2. No key code. Nothing there either. I'm going to leave that as a 1 though. And we have a cut. Okay. Cut. Okay. Doesn't work in the door. No worky in the door. Doesn't work in the ignition either. Imagine that. What caused that? Number one? Number one's not cut. Most of it's correct, because if I turn the key slightly and try and pull it out, it doesn't want to move. Wow. Imagine that. Now what? Oh, guy's losing his pants over there. it right on, though. Shut it off. Oh, wait, there's no temptation. Try and take it. Lots of people out here today. Lots and lots of people. Okay. Horn doesn't work. Is that two? That two's holding it. Huh. Wonder why. Usually isn't there a two? Two is usually missing out of it. Not unless this key's going in all the way now. Or maybe not. Maybe not. Four. Four. Well, maybe I read that wrong. It's quite possible. Some of those numbers are upside down. Well, it could be a 5. It's pretty deep. Could be a 5. That's good now, though. At least you can turn it. Now, if I could train him to not leave the keys in them, but oh well. So the first one's a 2 or a 3. Probably a 2. The way it's turning. All right. That's what we're dealing with here. I'm not really sure how that van.
What is new?
Hey?
What is new?
Yeah. Brand new second hand. Brand new second hand. Give me the key for this. I'll make
Want
a.
it all, eh?
I'll make. Yeah. I'll make.
Want me to do it, do it.
I'll just. Yeah. I'm gonna go home. You want to boost me? Here, do this. Here. No, code up a lock for that.
What?
I'll code a lock to it. I have a lock for it.
So you don't need that out?
No, that can't be fixed. Open the door a second.
I can fix that.
You can? Yeah. Yeah, there's no.
Nothing in here.
I thought there was.
Not a Chevy. Not the car.
No, Ford usually has a clip. Yep. Yeah, usually. Not on this one though.
So this is how the car can come apart. I gotta fix the metal anyway.
Yeah. So I'll get you a new lock for that or what?
Like brand new?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Very common.
Sounds expensive.
Hey?
Sounds expensive.
They are.
What's the price?
150.
I don't want to fix it that bad.
Well, it's coated. You're gonna. Okay. Now I gotta find a lock. I have an idea where they are. I did leave the lights on. Alright. Nice. Fired right up. Okay, I can't hold this. Vice grips no more. They can go. File. I can go there. Yep. Set you up here. Check my toe. Stash. What's this thing? That looks like a GM lock. Look at these. That'll do it. That will do it. Now, put the key down. Oh, gosh. Something you don't always want to do. Yeah, I gotta clean up shop. File. Alrighty. Some lead. Let the lead out. Shaking. Guess I should have ate something before I left. But oh well. Let's get something on the way sooner or later. springs. Boing, 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 boing. Springs. This is pretty close to the key that I just cut for the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I think these cuts are the first 6 in the door, the last 7 in the ignition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what was it before? I just did this van. I cranked that ignition on at the auto pack auction. Three, 5, 444. 3, 3, 5, 443 maybe. I think that's what it was. Let's give it a go, Mike. 3, 4s and 5s. No 1s and 2s here. 3. 3, 5, 4, 3, 5, 443. Yeah. Yeah, definitely 3, 5, 443. Yeah. Yeah, there's one there. Yeah. One, number 3 on the end. Definitely number 3 on the end. Yeah, look at that. Oh, maybe not. It's a deuce. It's a deuce. We have a 2 on the end then. Yeah. Key. That's a 2. Let's see. 4. Let's do a 444 here. 2, 3 of them. 444. Try it. Looks good. And a 5. I need a nickel. 1, 3, nothing. 4, 5, 2. There's a nickel right there. Got it. 5. These stash. That can go. Oh, I'm gonna keep the bag. I'll put the lock back in the bag. That way, when they put this lock down, they have something to look for, because, you know, I can go missing pretty quick, especially here. Here. And this is the package right here. Dayton Spring, I do believe. The Dayton. G-tent. Dayton. No. Let's lock. Get rid of that out of my hands. This can sit here for 1 second. This can get gooped on. Place the whole rest of it on here. boards. They corrode quick. Very, very quick. Especially here. So, test that out. Works ever so nicely. Have you driven a Ford lately? Ding dong. I'm just gonna go in this way. Or will it? Looks like it's good to go. No? No? What's going on? Get up there. No. I don't want that rod to fall out either. That falls out. That spring's going. That face, dust shutter's gone. That's not going to be a good sight. Not a good sight. And then you're trying to put that back together. So test it nicely. Very gently. Chrome cap. That's going to get put on here. Now, I think what I want to do with that. Unlike the GMs, it's not really much there to get a hold of. So I'm gonna do this, crimp it down. It's kind of a funny motion I'm doing here, in and down at the same time. Smack that. This will go on this way. Don't always need it. I'm sure there isn't one on there right now. Alright, that's that so far. What else do I need to do? He wants a spare key for that, but that car's on the hoist, so I'm not, no. I'm not climbing in out of there. I don't think. Not unless he really wants it. But I'm always around here. Tell. Shut this computer off here. Shut down. Well, shut down anyways, I guess. Shut down anyways. One night anyways. That off. There's Jennifer again. Hanging out in the shade in an octopus's garden. Uh-oh. Forgot that bag. Bag. Where'd it go? Or door lock. 703-369. Mind your own business.
Exactly.
I'm minding my business.
Okay.
Fuck, it looks like a second-hand one. You're trying to charge me brand new prices. What kind of bullshit we working out here? You don't even have the fucking thing. Well, I probably need that.
It's on there.
Yeah.
Well, I told him
How come?
on.
Like then it's just in the inside. It's
He
not-
just took a screwdriver,
no, but
twisted it.
because it's not, you can't see it. It's inside, right?
Yeah.
It goes like this.
Yep. Yeah, put it in the bag because you'll lose it.
Yeah.
Please. There we go.
Some
At least you have a white flag.
What happened with my second key?
Yeah, I don't know.
Still not happening, or
Well, wait
you
till
have
it
to come
comes
back?
down.
You have to come back. You know. Well, what's this?
Yeah, then they'll charge you another service call.
This
Yeah,
is the
that's
key.
the way it works.
This is
you
the
know?
key.
Huh?
You don't need it for it to come down. This is the key.
You have to program it.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
These are programmed?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, what year is that?
No, I'm sure it's not programmed. Because she asked me that when I ordered the cylinder. Said non-programmed. No?
No, it's programmed.
Is it?
What year is it?
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
That's just when they started? 07?
Probably in around there, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But that's a chip key.
Oh, there you go.
Definitely, yeah. I just checked your mobilizer ring. I looked at that and all that, yeah, when I was there. Remember?
Oh, you're so fucking fast. I mean, so fast, couldn't tell.
Uh-huh.
Okay, where were we?
How much you want to give me? I'll take 150 for that and
Those are expensive.
100 for that other one.
100? Oh, fuck, 55 minutes. I'd be making $200 an hour.
Okay, then give me 200 bucks.
How much for the real key?
This,
No,
well,
for that one. Yeah.
oh, that one?
Yeah.
You gave me 100 for it? No, you gave me 50 for it. So 100 bucks.
For the real key. Should I order, or are you gonna order it?
No, I got the keys.
Oh. That's with the. It has an unlock thing on it, right? Or no?
No,
No,
No buttons, no buttons.
way.
no buttons.
No way.
No. Well, they might have it.
Yeah. Well, that's
You
what's
got
gonna
remotes here.
I know. That's what I'm saying. That's what we're trying to establish here.
You're gonna
I
use
just
remote.
scrapped the car.
You can put a use remote in.
Yeah. Well, fuck it.
You want?
50,000. Half of my scrap is garbage.
Half of your scrap is garbage. That's why it's called scrap. No.
Yeah, it looks like this.
No, it's just a regular key, just like the one you have there.
I know, but we could put one of these on,
Oh yeah, for sure.
and then it'll work, right?
Yep.
Okay, that's what I'm trying to establish.
Key with buttons. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, get that. If you want it.
What about an old one? Like, you just can't fix it.
No.
Then-
No. Here. We could take those guts out. Well, no, you can't. First, keys don't come apart, so
Oh, so this don't come apart?
no, not like a Honda or a, another one. You can just switch the guts out and use a whatchamacallit.
Oh, I only know too well.
Yeah, you've been through it more than I have. So I can go now?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, rest of the day off with
Don't
pay.
call us, we'll call you.
Right?
Don't call us, we'll call you.
Okay, yeah, sure. Thanks. Done deal. Starting to warm up out there. See you in the next one.